Welcome to the Grillz Designer Pro. You can start placing an order here. And if you're interested in this app as a business owner making grills, you can also get the same app customized to your business. Now let's dive in how you will place your order. Let's start by creating an account first. Once that is filled out, this is the next page. You will fill in your information. Please make sure that this is correct because this is where we're going to be shipping your packages to, your mold kit, and your grill. All right, so once that is all filled out, hit next, and we're going to start designing your grill. This is the fun part. Please pay attention. Right now, you can get 6 silver or gold teeth for a sale price, and please make sure you fill out 6 teeth or 12. So once you click on any of the teeth, you can design any teeth anywhere. So I'm going to do an opal there. Let's go ahead and click another design. Let's do diamond dust. Now at the bottom, you can have a drop down. You can add cuts. Diamond dust and diamond cuts belong together, okay? They belong together like yin and yang, okay? So you will save every design. It will not let you go to the next step. Stones. Here are the stones. You can actually choose what stone you want on your grill. Isn't this pretty cool? You can do your teeth anywhere on this form. You can do 2 at the top, 4 at the bottom. You can do anywhere that you want as long as you get 6 teeth. Now, these are the prices, okay? Yellow gold, 5K dip, and it goes on. So this is the prices for that order. This includes your precious stones. This includes your mold kit. This includes your shipping. This includes your metal. Now, if you have anything you want to tell me, please add in the notes because I will get this information. And if you know a grill master, please let them know about this app because they can get this app for their business too. Let's go ahead and submit order. So your order is submitted. Now, these are the things that you will do as a customer. Check your email, spam, primary, promotion, social, and check to see your order. We will be sending you order details. Give us a little time via email, via Instagram or Facebook. So the great thing about this app is all my terms and conditionings are on there. You can follow my YouTube. Even training is on the next page. Look, how to do your mold kits, how to clean your grill, how to tighten your grill. Everything is there. And if you want to place an order for rings, you can do that. It's right at the bottom. And if you want to continue to go back to your order confirmation and watch the videos, it's right there.